Najmalina here, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful marble display tray. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. To begin, we're going to need a slab of tile, scissors, super hold glue, handles and rug gripper. You flip your tile around, get your grip tape and just measure along your tile in order to see how much you need to cover it up. I actually ended up using 1.5 rolls. Okay. So measure that throughout your whole tile. To be honest, this isn't the best way to measure to cut out your tape, but me being lazy, I don't go and get a ruler and cut it out and measure. No, but you could do that. You could be better than me. Be better. So you just do this, or the other method, throughout the whole length of your tile. So proceed to remove the backing from your rug gripper. I was trying to be professional here with gloves and everything. Didn't really work out, but once you do finally get backing off, stick it down one row at a time. So here I had a strip that needed filling and I just measured that piece and then cut a strip off the tape and placed that down. Once that's done, you flip it back over and cut off the excess, because I obviously didn't measure properly, but yeah, you might not need to do this if you follow the easier route and measure. Once that's done, we get onto our handles. Ooh, our handles. Yeah, I didn't measure this part either. I just winged it. I'm sorry, I winged it. I just used my eye. But be better than me. Be better and measure the distances. So once you know where your handles are going to go, take your handles and place the glue on the bottom bit, and that's it really. Just place it back down. Honestly, this glue is from Poundland, and when I say to you it has a strong grip, it has a strong grip. After this step, I'm going to paint the sides silver because I feel it gives it a more finished look. It's up to you totally. If you wish to leave it like that, you know, just do. Simple, right? You're done. If you do try this, please send me your pictures, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.